All right, in this video, I really wanted to quickly kind of review casting, so you guys make sure that you have a good understanding of it. If I am going from a more precise answer, a different data type, there are times when I have to force it to become that new data type. There are other times where it does not matter, like a double number. If I want to assign an int to it, I shouldn't have a problem. So if I can say equals 5, there's no issues with this. Let's go ahead and print this out. Okay, so I could run this and there's no issue. I'm saying 5 is an int. Now making an int go to a double just has decimals, so it's just making a 5.0. There's no issue with that. The issue that we would have is if we're doing this, where we're going from a double that has decimals to an int, and we tried running that. So let's go ahead and try to print that and try to run, and we should get this error. It says on error 1018, that's this line right here, incompatible types, possible lossy conversion from double to int. Okay, what this is a loss in precision. This means that we have a more precise number because it's got decimals and we are going to an int. So at this point, if I do not care that it has decimals and I just wanted to get rid of them, I could say that I just want it to become an int. Now I have to actually say what is becoming an int, and that would be this. Now the error that I have, why it's still underlined, it says it might not have been initialized. So let's say 5.2. Okay, 5.2, I'm making that an int. Now what would happen? Well, when we are using ints, that means that we are not caring about, let me stop that one. Let's do a normal run, not the debug. Okay, when we are running with an int, or we're going from a double, it's just getting rid of that 0.2, okay? It's not trying to round up or down. Okay, so if I change this to 0.8, you're going to see it's still going to just be 5. And that's not changing it. Now, I can choose to, instead of casting is really, really useful, that we can make things deal with based off of what we need. Maybe we didn't need that precision, but there are some times that maybe we have to choose, and this is where we can use our math library to maybe do, let's do ceiling, where we take that double number. And then we could cast that as an int. So now I gotta put this in parentheses. Okay. Why are you not liking it? Because I'm short of parentheses. Okay. So if I wanted this to, say, round up, like 5.8 to be 6, let's go ahead and we're doing the ceiling function. Let's see what it does. Okay. So here it's printing 6 because ceiling, it pushes it up to that next number. Let's go ahead and see what this is. Let's put it in a print line. And then go ahead and run this. So I'm taking that double number, that 5.8, it rounds it up to 6.0. That's what ceiling does. And then we cast that to an int, and that could be 6. Now, I have other math functions that I can do. So I could do floor and run this. and that's going to round down. So that rounds down to 5.0. Okay. Now I could also choose to do different things based off what I need. So I can still cast anything, but really all that is I'm just choosing what type it's going to be, okay, and forcing it into that type. So if we have an error where it's a loss of precision or a lossy conversion error, that's how we got to deal with it. All right, good luck, have fun.